What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to replace your engine mounts on a Kia Optima or Hyundai Sonata, whatever it is. The concept's pretty much the same, so stick around. Step 1, open the hood and of course disconnect the negative battery cable. Don't skip that step. Step number 2 is locate your engine mount, which is going to be right here. You may have to remove this box. Actually, you will have to remove this box, and it's just two 10mm screws, so 1 and 2. Remove this, move it out of the way, and then you will have access to your engine mount. You will need to put a jack underneath with a wooden block so you can lift the engine pan and not damage it, just enough to release the pressure from here. All right, that's what we're going to do. Here we go. All right, guys, so once you have removed your coolant reservoir out of the way, make sure you don't lose any coolant from here. You have exposed your engine mount. All right, and we are going to have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts and nuts. And for the bottom we just have a jack holding up the engine with a wooden block in between, just a little bit of pressure. All right, so we're going to lift and lower as we need it. Here we go. All right, guys, so be sure to grab a 17 and hit all these, all right, until they're loose. Just remember that the engine's gonna drop if you do this, so make sure that it's held on in place correctly. All right, so there we go. Just do that real quick for all of them, and then lift out with the old, in with the new. All right, guys, so with all those bolts loose, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you can see this is already sprung out of action, but this is going to be loose, and you should be able to just slide this out and then get to your engine mount. Okay, boom, just like that. Replace the old one, throw it away because you no longer need that, and here's a new one right here. And it slides just like that. Make sure you line it up with that little groove right there. All right, make sure they all line up. Tighten it down before you put that second piece back on. There you go, guys. The procedure in reverse is the same thing. So if you stuck around, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.